friends, welcome to our channel. So in the previous session we have seen various string handling functions. So in this session let us have a simple program to find the number of vowels and the number of consonants and the number of digits and number of words and number of spaces in the given line of string. So here the input, we have to take the line of text, and in that line of text we have to count the number of vowels and we have to count the number of consonants and then digits, spaces and words. So for this, first of all we have to know what are the vowels, what are the consonants, what are the digits, what are the spaces, what are the words. So all of us know that the vowels are simply A, E, I, O, U, and not only the lowercase letters, the uppercase letters. So A, E, I, O, U. So in order to count the number of vowels, we have to check each and every character in the line of text with these letters, and all the letters remaining these vowels. So all the letters remaining will be consonants. So every alphabet other than vowels are called consonants. And then digits 0 to 9. So here the 0 to 9 are characters. So in the strings 0 is also a character, 1 is also a character, similarly 9 is also a character. So we will get compared with all these characters, and if they are 0 to 9 then we will consider it as a digit. And a space, so in between the words we will use the space bar, so some spaces, that is a blank character. So as I said that every key in the keyboard will be considered as a character. So in the previous sessions I have said that, so if you declare a variable with a character data type, it can have an input as any key in the keyboard. So in the keyboard, all the alphabets, all the numericals and all the special symbols, and even a space is also a character, and enter button is also a character. So every button will be a character. So here for counting the spaces we have to use then empty character. And then words, so a simple logic. So first of all we will count the words and we will count the spaces, and if you after getting the number of spaces, the number of spaces plus 1 gives a number of words. Because for example, take computer programming is a text. See here, how many spaces are there? Only one space. One space. So just adding 1 to the number of spaces, we will get number of words. So in between the words we will use the spaces. So here 1 space. So words are spaces, space count plus 1. So here the space count is 1. The words will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Let us take another example. Hi, how are you? So here the space count. So by seeing we can say that space count 1, 2, 3. Space count is 3. So the word count is equal to the space count plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, first we will count the spaces, and after getting the space count we will just add 1 to the space count so that we will get the word count. So first we have to check all the characters in the given string with these alphabets. So if these are if the character is equal to these one of these alphabet, then we will increase one vowel count, and then all the characters remaining these vowels will be consonants, and we have to compare the numerical digits, and also we have to compare the spaces. So there will be no logic for word count. So let us see the program so that you can clearly understand. See here for this, so if you read the input using the input functions, that means either scanf or getchar or gets. So usually we will use the gets function, because so by using the scanf we can read only one character, I mean one word. So the end of the character, end of the string in by using scanf is a space. So it can read only one word by using the scanf function. So whereas coming to the getchar or a gets function, we can give the input, that means we can read the input. So until the user press /n, that means enter, that means a line of text can be given as an input while using the gets function. So here for comparing these consonants and vowels, we have to start from the first character, that means the 0th character, to end of the string. So here the end of the string is /0. So as we know that the end of the string is /0. So we will use the loop iterative statement, that means we have to check each and every character in the string with these cases. So we have to start the iterations from 0 to until it reaches the /0. That means until some s of I not equal to /0. So this is the loop. We have to continue this loop. So this is the condition. So where we have to start the loop, that means we have to compare each and every character from 0th index to last thing. That means when we have to stop the loop, that whenever we reaches /0. So s of I not equal to /0. See, let us write. So as usual, main function. So here let us take the direct initialization. So character str of 20 is equal to so let this is the input given, hi, hello, welcome 99. Then first we have to start the loop, I mean first we have to compare each character with the vowels. So for that let us declare some variables. Int, first we want the vowels, so let us write v count. So here the v count is for vowels count, comma, so initialize it to 0, comma, next consonants count, so that we can call it as c count, consonant count is equal to 0, and then digits, so d count is equal to 0. So after d count we have to count the spaces, so s count, and then after s count we have to calculate word count, so w count is equal to 0. Now let us start the comparison. So use the iterative statement for I is equal to 0. So here we have to declare I also, comma I. So we have to repeat it until str of I not equal to /0. I plus plus, you have to increment this one. So now compare each and every character with the vowels. So write the if condition. If str of I is equal to character A, or this is an OR, logical OR. str of I is equal to E. So we have to write all the vowels here. Or str of I is equal to I, or str of I is equal to O, or str of I is equal to U, or str of I is equal to capital A. So we have to check the lowercase and uppercase. Or str of I is equal to E, or str of I is equal to I, or str of I is equal to capital O, or str of I is equal to capital U. So here we are comparing the character with all these vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So if it satisfies, increase the V count, because these are the vowels. So V count plus plus. Else so let us write the, again we have to check the condition, right? So else if str of I greater than or equal to small a, sorry 0, here we have to count the numericals 0, and str of I less than or equal to 9. That means if the character is greater than 0 and less than 9, greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 9, then so this, if this condition is true, then we have to use digit count. We have to increment the digit count. Then else if, again check the space count. str of I space count is equal to blank space yes count plus plus. Else, so if the character is not equal to any one of these vowels, then again it will compare with here. So if the character is not equal to this 0 to 9, it will count here character is equal to so and so. So if it is also fails, then automatically it gives the consonant. So C count plus plus. C count plus plus. Then, so here ends the program. So here we didn't calculate the word count, because directly if you calculate this S count, the S count plus 1 will give the word count. So next, so after closing the for loop, write down the printf statement. Printf so print the counts. Vowels is equal to %d v count. Next, printf, next one, consonant count. C count is equal to %d C count. Next, printf, digit count. Digits is equal to %d D count. Next, printf, spaces is equal to %d S count. Printf, word count. Words is equal to %d. Here, instead of writing this is word count, we can directly write S count plus 1, or simply write here. So before writing this printf function, write here word count is equal to space count, S count plus 1, or simply we can write space count plus 1. So no need of taking this word count variable. So comma I. So here we can write here S count plus 1. Close the main function. So this is a simple program for calculating the number of vowels, number of consonants, and number of digits, number of spaces, and number of words in the given line of text. So hope you understood this program. So once again I will explain you. So first of all, we have to take the line of text. So this can be taken by using either getC, gettS, getchar, or scanf function. So in the scanf function, only one word can be taken. So if you want to get a more number of words, we have to use either getchar or gettS function. So for simple understanding, I have taken just direct initialization, and then initialize different counts, because we have to count vowels, consonants, digits, spaces, words, etc. And we have to use the iterative statement, so that we have to compare each and every character with these vowels or a consonants or a digits, or so here we are comparing the vowels or numerics or spaces. So other than these three, automatically it will be a consonant. And after getting this S count, so after comparing these vowels, we have to compare for both the uppercase and lowercase characters. So our text may contain both uppercase or lowercase. So we have checked for all the uppercase and lowercases. 10 comparisons will be done here. And if it satisfies, automatically V count value will be incremented. If it doesn't satisfy, again that character will be checked with 0 to 9. If it satisfies, automatically D count will be incremented. If it is also not satisfied, again we have written the condition that space, a normal single space. So if it satisfies this condition, automatically this S count will be incremented. So if this condition is also failed, so automatically the character will be the consonant. So here C count will be incremented, and then just for getting the word count, we will just get the S count plus 1 will give the word count. So that we have written in the printf section. Hope you understood this program. Let us stop here. And if you like my videos, share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel for more concepts. And if you are having any doubts regarding this C programming, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section, so that I will definitely try to clarify your doubts. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much.